Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to deposit your money on the Neteller wallet or Neteller application. So now the first thing that I want you to do now is to access to your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Edge or anything, and then you will go to this neteller.com website and accept the cookies or reject them. So let's just reject all the cookies, and basically you will need to join with Neteller. So basically you are going to sign in if you have already an account, so just sign in, or otherwise you can just sign up, and you can do this by adding your personal informations, and then you will need to click on the register. So basically by that you will be able to create account, and after that you will need to log into this account that you have just created and click log in, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So after you log into your Neteller account, all you need to do is to go to the money in option. You will find it here in the navigation bar or navigation tab. You click on money in, and as you can see there is the deposit now option, and basically here you will put on or you will add a card, and basically here you add the card information or your bank account information, like the credit card number, the CVV code, the expiry date, etc. And then you will just click on next. You add the amount that you want to deposit on your wallet, and then you will click continue. So basically after that you will need just to confirm your deposit and click on confirm, and that's it. You will have the amount of money deposited or deposit on your balance on Neteller wallet. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.